Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, classes and real-time interview questions and answers. Part 20. What is OLEDB command transformation in SSIS?
As part of training, we are going to discuss about what is OLEDB command transformation in SSIS. In SQL Server Integration Services, that is SSIS, the OLEDB command transformation is a row-by-row data flow transformation that executes a SQL statement for each row passing through it. It's typically used to update, insert or delete records in database table during the data flow process. Purpose of it is the OLEDB command transformation lets you run parameterized SQL statements on a target database for each entry, similar to executing prepared SQL command with parameters. How it works: each input row from the data flow is processed visually. The transformation substitutes input column values to SQL parameters using question mark placeholders. It executes the SQL statements via OLEDB connection. The result, if any, can be passed downstream or simply execute the command. Coming to the disadvantage, the OLEDB command transformation executes one SQL statement per row, making it slow and resource insensitive for large data sets. It causes multiple database round trips, reducing overall ETL performance. That means it executes based on a row by row process. This scenario will take more time if we are having large data sets. That means if we are having lakhs of records, it will be like performance significant. Let us see these things practically in SSIS. We are in SSIS and we are at the GKey demo project created, and I have a package. I will be renaming it as OLEDB command. OLEDB command transformation. Here we are going to perform set, update and delete operation based on the source file or source table and database. For that we have to take data flow or task. Here we have to take, now as a source I am taking as a flat file. I am trying to establish a connection on here. Trying to browse a file which I am having here. So we will command source. 10 columns and 10 records I am having here. If you preview the data, this is the data that we are having with employee ID, first name, last name, number, submit, 10 columns around the source, which is flat file CSV file. And we are going to load this data by using OLEDB command SQL Server database. For that, we have to take OLEDB command transformation. Here I am connecting OLEDB transformation. Connection manager, I am trying to establish a connection. For that, we have to create a connection. Here, the connection. And here I am taking this connection as already steps GKey solution and demo. GKey. I got this result, get this one. And now here I am taking this connection. Now, connection has established SQL Server database. And coming to the property here, the name is OLEDB command. Here is the base SQL command. We can write this. What type of SQL command that we are going to write here? For that, this is the table I am trying to create here. It's with the target data just executing this. So here and OLEDB command target table has been created. And if you see, it's a data here. This is the three tasks that I am going to perform. This first one will be sending a record from a source to the target, and second one, update from the target will be delete the operation. Next things. To do that, what we have to do? This connection, if you edit, we are in a, we have successfully taken the connection here. Here, properties we are trying to like write that script. First we are trying to insert a record. Let us see how many columns are there. There are 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns are there. To insert data from the source to these 10 columns, we have to have 10 parameters like this. 10 question marks we have to focus. It's a query that I am using here. Insert into OLEDB command target. This is the table that we have created now. For this table, we are inserting a database for the CSV files that we are having. And if you come to the mappings, these are the different parameters created. We have to map each and every parameters. This way also we can map. Otherwise, we can drag and drop. Like this also we can. This out, we have to map all the columns. This is the main thing that we have to take into account. But because if you have the parameter 1, we are simply it's not right. Now I have mapped all the columns. And what we are trying to do is, based on source table, I am trying to insert the data into the target table. Let us start the package now. Start with the package. Here, 9 goes from the flat file source got inserted into the target. Let us check this data. Now the 9 goes got inserted with the employee ID, first name, last name, that up to 4 number, 10 columns have been inserted based on the SQL. Now we are going to I'm just updating the department. My group got affected. Let us see. Now there is no data for the department. What I am going to do is, based on the source file, I am going to insert the data for department. Okay. To do that, what I have to do is, I have to take this thing, that means update OLEDBCommand target table, set the department as question mark. This will be the first parameter, and where employee ID is equal to question mark. Based on each employee ID, department is going to be set. I'm just executing or taking this here. So you get the OLEDBCommand. Instead of this query, now I am taking this one. What it is going to do, update OLEDB command underscore target table, set the department is equal to question mark, where employee ID is equal to question mark. That means, based on the employee IDs from the source, department is going to be updated in the target table. Coming to the mappings, first parameter, what is the first parameter that we have used in the query? First parameter is department, and second parameter is employee. In such a way, we have to map these things here. Now, first parameter is department, second parameter is employee. Now execute this query. Like this package, 9 groups got affected. Let us check what happened with the target. See, now the department got updated based on the source file. In this way, we can update the target table using OLEDB command with update command as well. Now, I want to delete the data in the target based on the source data. Now, we are having 9 records. We are going to delete all this record based on this command. We can use directly the delete from OLEDB command, or we can use where condition, just using the where condition for each gender which is available in the source. All the gender records are going to be deleted in the target. I'll be using this one. Here, the SQL command property is there is only one gender parameters available in the display. Gender. Now I'm trying to run this package. 9 rows got affected. That means we are deleting the data based on each gender from the source file. That means there won't be any data in the target. Now the data has been deleted. In this way, by using OLEDB command, we can perform different things like insertion, updation, and deletion of the data based on the source file or source table that we are taking. In this way, we can design a package by using OLEDB command to perform different insert, update, delete operations on database side. I think you got some idea about OLEDB command. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.